Alright, so we're doing exercise 5b, and in this video I'm going to give you the answer to 6b. So let's begin by reading the question. Sketch the graphs of each of the following relations stating the range of each. So in b we are given y equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. Immediately upon seeing this, I realize I have a perfect square because I have a square valued here and a square valued here. So I'm going to write this in a far more nicer way by saying it's going to be y equals x plus 1 squared. Now this could be written as y equals x plus 1, x plus 1. If we wanted to solve for my x-intercept, what we could do is set both of these equal to 0. So I'm going to have x plus 1 being equal to 0 and x plus 1 being equal to 0. So I set both of these equal to 0. So I'm going to get x equals -1 and x equals -1. The same thing, which means I'm going to have one intercept located right here. And I'm going to write this as a coordinate. So this is going to be -1, 0. I am also going to have to find my y-intercept. I'm going to do this the traditional way of going to find my y-int, let x equal 0. So I'm going to go, it's going to be y equals, now this is going to be 0, this is going to be 0, so I'm just going to be left with the 1 on the end. It's just going to be 1, which is going to be here. So now I rub that out, and I'm just going to put in the coordinate. So this is going to be 0, -1. With these two coordinates, I can now draw in my parabola, which is going to look like this. Perfect. Now, the question also asks me to state what the range is. So let me scroll down here for a second. Let me actually do some cleanup. Let me just grab this and shrink it down a bit. So now I need to figure out what my range is going to be. My range is going to be all my y values. As you can see here, it's going to start at 0 and go up and up and up. Let me start from here. It's going to start at 0 and go up and 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 go on forever, because this goes on forever. So it's going to be starting at 0, going to infinity. So starting at 0 and going to infinity. Hopefully this has helped you answer question 6b from exercise 5b.